Hey, what's going on, Nature and Family? We are hiking live from Pittston, Pennsylvania, and today we're going to attempt to go to a place that I've never been before. This is my first time hiking here. The place is actually called Devil Falls, and yeah, it's a beautiful waterfall from what I've read about. So, got a little snow on the ground. It's a little chilly, but that's okay. We're out here and we're gonna make our way down to the waterfall. So let's hope there's something there for us to see. So come and join me, and we're gonna make it along this icy, snowy terrain and enjoy this hike. So follow me as we continue along this trail and try to make it to this waterfall. I just want to say thank you to whoever subscribed so far. Thanks for watching my videos, liking, commenting, and all that. You guys are great, so I just want to thank you guys for that. But I'm going to flip this around and give you a view of where we're going. So stay tuned. All right. As you can tell, we're starting out walking down an old access road. And this should lead us down to the trail to take us to the waterfall. I've read a lot of good things about it. It's probably not the best time to go see it, but we're gonna make our way down this trail, and I will continue on once we get a little closer. So thanks for sticking with me, and yeah, we're gonna continue on. Okay, so just made it down the access trail, and you can see the creek here. It's actually flowing, so hopefully we'll get a nice glimpse of water going over the fall. That's our main goal. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy this nice cool hike and make our way to the top to get some views. It's like a nice winter wonderland out here. On my way up here, it was actually snowing, a little flurrying, but I thought we were gonna get a little bit more, make this hike a little more difficult. But yeah, it's not too bad so far. Like I said, there's tire tracks here, so the terrain's not too bad. But yeah, we're gonna continue on, and I'll bring you back with me when we get up farther along the trail. Continuing on our hike down trail. We're actually going slightly downhill, but still enjoying this winter wonderland we got going on here. So it's nice and peaceful out. I don't think I'll encounter anyone on the trail today, but just take a look how beautiful it is. Not a noise out here. It's great. Still on a access road like trail or quad trail or something like that, but I'm actually thankful for it, keeping my feet quite dry. So yeah, we're just gonna continue on. I think they said it's almost 2 miles to the trail, so I've only been walking now for maybe about 10 minutes or so, so we're making our way there slowly but surely. All right, making a lot of elevation, and let's take a look over here, see what this is. See some water. All right, I think we're getting close, guys. I think we're getting close. Looks like that's water from the stream pooled up there. So let's keep pushing forward. Look at it, so muddy. Yeah, the terrain isn't the best right now. It's all mud and rocks, but it's still nice to get out. Like I said, I'm off today. Sorry about the bouncing. I'm walking over pretty big rocks. But I'm off today, so my new tripod came in. So I'm just out trying to make it work. All right, guys, reached like a fork in the road. We could go this way. We can continue straight. There's a little path this way. So we're going to collect our bearings and continue on. I guess this is my first time here, so I'm thinking it's straight ahead. But I wouldn't be objected to take this left path over here, so I'm gonna pause you here, take a look at the map real quick, and carry on. So stick with me, guys. After I pick the right path, hopefully we'll be on our way. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, well, I did a quick map check, and looks like we continue on straight. So good thing I didn't take the side trail or the other road, because that probably would have brought me back down the hill. So always carry a map or some type of GPS with you. That's my tip of the day. But yeah, we're gonna keep moving on, and from the looks of it, we're almost at the falls. So yeah, I was expecting a lot worse terrain, knock on wood. I mean, we're not there quite yet, but yeah, I was expecting a lot steeper grades, more rough terrain. I didn't expect this trail to be almost like an access road for vehicles and quads. You can see all the quad tracks that come down, so I guess it's more or less used for quads. So yeah, that's a little interesting. But now we are going downhill at a nice grade, so that should point us down lower to water. So looks like we're on the right direction. But let me make sure I don't lose my footing coming down this hill. As you can see, it's quite steep and rocky and snowy and icy. So I will pause you here and continue when I make it down to the bottom. So I just want to say thanks for staying with me during this hike. I know it's not the most green, beautiful, lush mountains, but it's what we have to work with in NEPA, so we're going with it. I love the snow. It doesn't bother me at all. I don't have gloves on, no hat, so we're just roughing it. But yeah, let me continue on when I get down to the bottom of this. All right, guys, I'm coming down a little bit. As you can see, the grade's pretty steep. And just look how the water's rolling downhill, making it a little bit more difficult. All these leaves, wet rocks, so that's why we're being a little careful. So I'm starting to hear water. I mean, yeah, it's right underneath my feet, but hopefully this is leading right into the spot where we're headed. So I'm gonna put you back on pause and whoa. continue down before I fall over. Now that is the grade that we went down. Very, very slippery. But I hear water. I'm gonna continue on. Ooh, sorry. Continue down the trail. You can really hear the water rushing now. Oh yeah, you could hear it. It's flowing pretty nice. Oh wow. Guys, I don't know if I'm prepared to show you this. Ooh, sorry. Jumping down these rocks here. Okay, guys. Are you ready for this? This is absolutely magnificent. Like, I'm absolutely blown away. I'm not going to show you just yet. I'm gonna wait till I get on this rock outcropping, but I am astonished that this is in my backyard. Okay, guys, are you ready for this? I'm going to try to walk out on the rocks so you get a good view. Wow. Well, guys, take a look at that. Now tell me that's not beautiful. I am in awe right now. I never knew about this. I'm sorry if you can't hear me too well, but wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let me get some more views. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. This is what I'm crossing over. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, guys, we made it. Sorry. All right, guys, so we made it across the creek. And wow, is it moving. But we're gonna climb up further and get a better look. Wow, guys. Wow, wow, wow. I'm speechless, guys. Wow. All right, guys. I'm gonna try to get some different positions so you get different views at the fall. I'm even gonna try to get all the way up on top of there to give you a view above the falls and up on those rocks over there. So I'm gonna pause you here and I will continue on and give you some more great views of this area when I get back. Okay guys, welcome back. We're getting above the falls right now. We're headed up this massive cliff and we're gonna get a look down over the falls. So I would love to record the hike, but it's very, very slippery. You have moss on the rocks. And I gotta do a little climbing over here, so. All right guys, stay with me. I'm gonna get you some more views. Thanks for watching. Well guys, we made it to the top of the falls. Wow. That's all I can really say. This is gorgeous. This is my view, guys, right now from the top. We have the snow falling, trees covered with snow. Wow. And as you can see, creek goes all the way up that way. A lot of water flowing. But I'm gonna pause you here, guys. I'm gonna get back down, get some more pictures and some more views from the bottom for you. So thank you so much for continuing to watch me going on these adventures. I love doing it, so I'm glad you guys are enjoying. Well guys, we're up here on the top of the waterfall, looking down. Like I said, it is absolutely gorgeous up here. The views, you got water everywhere. Look at that. I mean, can't ask for anything better. I mean, I lived in this area my whole life. I never knew this was 15 minutes from my house. It's gorgeous. And this is Devil's Falls, Pittston, Pennsylvania. So if you're in the area, definitely Google it and make your way there. I'm definitely going to be back here for the spring and summer. I mean, it looks amazing, so definitely going to check it back out. Probably even tell JP from JP's videos, tell him to get up here and see this place for himself. But I'm going to make my way back down this waterfall, and we're gonna get some better videos down below, and then I'm gonna start taking pictures, and then we're gonna pack and get out of here. Thank you guys for following me. I mean, this is beautiful. Whew. All right guys, I just wanted to give you a look at what I had to climb up Whew. It's crazy up here. I'm up on a cliff. So we're gonna get down and like I said, I'll get you some more views of the waterfall when I get back down there. I just wanted to show you, like, I'm climbing this steep grade. So we'll continue on with this in a moment, so stay with me. Well, here we are, guys. The bottom of the falls looking all the way to the top. Just trying to get these framed in for you. Yeah, it's beautiful. Like I said, I'm so happy I came out today just to get a view of this. I mean, I'm sure this camera's not going to do it justice, but I just want to assure you that this is stunning. I love this place. Oh, it's sweaty here from hiking. But yeah, look at this. I love it. Absolutely love it. This area is so gorgeous. I can't stop looking at it. Well, guys, I just wanted to make this short video today. Like I said, I found out about this place last night, so I wanted to get out and show you guys that. I mean, it's not going to be my longest video, but I mean, the view is spectacular. I can't get enough of it. Wow. I will definitely be returning back here to make a better video when I get my new camera. And I'll probably bring somebody along with me, maybe JP, see if maybe the Wandering Woodsman wants to join me. And we'll come back and we'll hit the waterfall again, you know. Maybe we'll take the stream down to the reservoir. But I just want to thank you all for staying and watching the video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. I'm on my way to 100 subs right now. Thank you guys who already subscribed to me. I mean, I love it. Love talking to you guys. So, yeah, here we are. Another adventure out naturing, guys. Right in your backyard. But that's all for this episode. I want to say thank you again, and see you in the next adventure, guys.